All right, my brothers, I am so happy with it. I took it for a spin today and it runs like a stinking top. It runs so good. The response is just amazing, and there is no more 103 Rattle. I mean, it is fantastic. That Hayden primary chain tensioner is working like a champ. The rocker lockers are working like a champ, and I'm telling you, man, it has some good response today. So I did all the oil. Everything's done, man. It's ready to roll. But I want you to hear this. This sounds so good. I cleaned it up too. Oh man. I'm telling you, it runs like a Champeen. Like a Champeen. It is so quiet. There is no more 103 Rattle. The 103 Rattle is gone. Just a beautiful, primary, smooth noise. I'm so happy it came out. You know, it might have been, I don't know. I took everything apart in the primary. I don't think that had anything to do with it. I think it was just a cam, why do I say that? Primary chain tensioner. The top end, quiet. All the ticking is gone. I rode it today, man, brought it up to $6 grand. Not a freaking noise in the top end, nothing. Runs like a champ. I'm so happy with it. All right, so now that's done. I'm gonna ride it for 500 miles and then check the primary. And guess what the next project is? I'm changing the cams, baby. And if my drive cam shaft runs within 2 thousandths, I'm going all gears, baby. At least the gears and the cams, but I'm going all gears. If it runs within 2 thousandths, I'll hope it does. Buck signing off, man. Great weekend, another productive weekend. Have a great night, my brothers. I'll catch you and keep you informed. Later.